How to verify your MEXC account. Let's go ahead and start the video. To verify your MEXC account, open MEXC app on your device and sign into your account. Then click on the profile icon on the top left hand side. You can see the verify right next to your name. Go ahead and tap on verify. You can see there are some things which you need to verify, like your primary KYC. If you scroll down, you must also verify your advanced KYC, which will include account benefits KYC verification. So you can just go ahead and tap on verify. Now you can easily enter your ID card, passport, or your driving license photo, and you can select the ID issuing country or region. So go ahead and select it. Now what you need to do is click a photo. So you can scroll down and see the ID requirements. So you can just go ahead and select the photo type and follow these instructions. You can just go ahead and tap on upload a photo. You can either take a photo or you can choose it yourself. After you do that, you can easily verify your account and make purchases on MEXC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.